Hi friends, నా వీడియోస్ మరికొంతమందికి రీచ్ అవ్వడానికి ప్లీజ్ లైక్, షేర్ అండ్ సబ్స్క్రైబ్ టు మై ఛానల్. టుడే we have to learn some sight words. First one is when. W-H-E-N. When. Second one is where. W-H-E-R-E. Where. Next one W-H-I-C-H. Which. Next one W-H-Y. Why. Next one W-H-A-T. What. Next one W-H-O. Who. Next one is W-H-O-W. How. Next one is L-I-T-T-L-E. Little. Next one is A-W-A-Y. Away. Next one is H-E-L-P. Help. Next one is make. M-A-K-E. Make. Next one is F-O-R. For. Next one T-A-K-E. Take. Next one is C-O-M-E. Come. Next one is S-E-E-C. Next one is S-A-I-D. Said. Next one is here. H-E-R-E. Here. Next one is jump. J-U-M-P. Jump. Next one is find. F-I-N-D. Find. Next one is down. D-O-W-N. Down. Next one is O-N. On. Next one is I-N. In. Next one is A-T. At. A-S. As. Next one is I-F. If. Next one is I-T. It. Next one is A-M. Yam. Next one is O-F. Off. Next one is U-P. Up. These are the some sight words. First one is when. Second one is where. Third one is which. Fourth one is why. Fifth one is what. Fifth one is who. Sixth one is how. Seventh one is little. Eighth one is away. 10th one is help. 11th one is make. 12th one is for. 13th one is take. 14th one is come. 15th one is see. 16th one is said. 17th one is hear. 18th one is jump. 19th one is find. 20th one is down. 21st one is on. 22nd one is in. 23rd one is at. 24th one is as. 25th one is if. 26th one is it. 27th one is am. 28th one is off. 29th one is up. 30th one is sing. These are the 30 sight words. థ్యాంక్ యూ ఫ్రెండ్స్. ఇప్పటివరకు ఎవరైతే నా ఛానల్ని సబ్స్క్రైబ్ చేసుకోలేదో ప్లీజ్ లైక్, షేర్ అండ్ సబ్స్క్రైబ్ టు మై ఛానల్. థ్యాంక్ యూ.